Doing laundry when traveling can be a pain. In this video, I'll share 6 tips to make doing laundry less time-consuming. Tip number 1, use performance wear for your socks, underwear, and shirts. They take up less space, they wash easily, and they dry quickly. Tip number 2, put your dirty laundry in a spare packing cube. It keeps the dirty clothes separate from the clean, and it doesn't take up any extra space. Tip number 3, wash in the bathtub or the sink of your hotel. You'll save a couple of hours versus going to the laundromat and waiting for the washer and dryer to finish, and you'll save some money. Tip number 4, use Wash EZE. It's a laundry product that combines detergent, softener, and static control in a sheet. It packs flat and dry. Use a quarter sheet when you wash in the sink, a half sheet for washing in the tub, and a whole sheet for the days when you go to the laundromat. Tip number 5, pre-dry your clothes in a towel. After you wring them out, put them in a towel, roll it up, twist the towel to get additional water out of your clothes. Tip 6, use travel hangers. The first product is a traveling clothesline. It's a couple of shock cords twisted together with hooks on the end. You don't need clothespins to use it. You untwist the line, put a corner of your clothes into the loop, and it will close back and hold your item. The challenge, of course, is to find places in the room to hang the line. But I found that wall lamps and door handles and the night latch on the door and the clothes rack are good places to try. Next, we have an inflatable hanger. It folds flat. You blow it up when you need to use it, put your shirt on it, and hang it from the clothes rod in the bathroom. And finally, we have clothespins that have a hook on them so you can hang things from the clothes rod in your bathroom. So that's my 6 tips to make doing laundry when traveling less time-consuming. Number 1, use performance wear. Number 2, put your dirty laundry in a packing cube. Number 3, wash every couple of days in the bathtub or sink. Number 4, use Wash EZE. Number 5, pre-dry your clothes by wringing them in a towel. And number 6, use travel hangers. Now you can head over to my website, easymototim.com, and go to the products and laundry page, and you'll see links there to Amazon where you can buy these items. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you.